Introduction to Uniswap Subgraph. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that facilitates token swaps on the Ethereum blockchain. A crucial component of the Uniswap ecosystem is the Uniswap Subgraph, which is an open-source data indexing and querying solution. In this guide we will explore why using Uniswap Subgraph is essential for developers and users. What is a subgraph? A subgraph is a data indexing solution that allows developers to query and retrieve specific data from the blockchain. The Uniswap subgraph is specifically designed to index Uniswap protocol data, making it easily accessible for querying and analysis. By using a subgraph, developers can build applications that interact with the Uniswap protocol without having to manually scan the blockchain. Benefits of using Uniswap Subgraph. Using the Uniswap Subgraph offers several benefits, including improved data accessibility, reduced costs, and increased scalability. By indexing Uniswap protocol data, the subgraph provides a single source of truth for data, making it easier for developers to build applications and for users to access data. Additionally, the subgraph reduces the need for manual blockchain scanning, which can be time-consuming and costly. Practical examples. A practical example of using Uniswap Subgraph is building a decentralized application that displays Uniswap token prices. By querying the Uniswap Subgraph, the application can retrieve token prices in real time, without having to scan the blockchain. Another example is building a data analytics platform that provides insights into Uniswap protocol usage, such as trade volume and liquidity. Best practices. When using Uniswap Subgraph, it is essential to follow best practices, such as optimizing queries for performance and using caching mechanisms to reduce the load on the subgraph. Additionally, developers should ensure that their applications are designed to handle subgraph downtime and data inconsistencies. Conclusion. In conclusion, using Uniswap Subgraph is essential for developers and users who want to interact with the Uniswap protocol. By providing a single source of truth for data, reducing costs, and increasing scalability, the Uniswap subgraph enables developers to build powerful and efficient applications. By following best practices and using the Uniswap subgraph, developers can build innovative applications that provide value to users and contribute to the growth of the Uniswap ecosystem.